Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tariq Hussain and today my topic is sources of national law. First is legislation, parliament. The act of making law is called as legislation. In our country, parliament make the law. The law that are made by parliament is always in written form. The law made by parliament are always from act of parliament. Kind of legislation. There are two kind of legislation: supreme legislation and subordinate legislation. Supreme legislation. All the legislation including law of command and regulation is called as supreme legislation. For example, act of parliament. Second is subordinate legislation. It is a type of legislation in which any authority except parliament makes the law, then it is said to be subordinate legislation. Type of subordinate legislation: autonomic legislation, second colonial legislation, थर्ड जो है डेलीगेट लेजिस्लेशन, और फोर्थ जो है जुडिशियल लेजिस्लेशन, और जो फाइव है म्यूनसिपल लेजिस्लेशन. फर्स्ट इज autonomous legislation. Any autonomous body, if it is makes the for itself, then it's said to be autonomous legislation. For example, armed force rules of university. Second is colonial legislation. The country which are controlling other country by way of force, and if the country which is controlling makes the country which is under control, then it is said to be colonial legislation. Third point is delegate legislation. The authority of parliament, if it is delegate to any other department for making the law, then such authority is called as legislation. For example, LAT, law admission test, or law gate. 4 point is judicial legislation. The rule and regulation that are made by judiciary for their judicial conduct is called as judicial legislation. 5 point is municipal legislation. Any law that is made by municipality is called as municipal legislation.